Here is how you can disable app focus on the iPhone. Let me show you all that you need to know about it. Let's get started. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the app's focus mode, what you likely mean by that is that whenever you open up some applications, the focus mode might be enabled. So that is likely set up in the settings. So you can open up the settings app, proceed to the focus section, and just check out the different focus modes which get turned on when you open up some app. And the point is that any of the focus modes has the ability to set up the scheduling. So you can scroll down a bit, click on add a schedule, and you can make sure you turn it on by app, right? So you can see, it makes sense for some apps, but just make sure you use it properly, right? Because you can decide that when I open up a particular application, the focus mode will be enabled. So if you don't want that to be happening, like turn off the scheduling based on an app, right? And the next time you get inside of that app, the focus mode will not be triggered. But yeah, the important part is where you can is to know where you can change it. So this is the place, it's part of the scheduling, but it might also be enabled by time or location. So pay attention to that as well. But we naturally just want to make sure that it doesn't turn on when we don't need it. So if you don't like that, you're going to turn it off. Make sure you don't have any schedule in place and you're going to be free and clear of that. Keep in mind that, of course, you can scroll to the bottom of the focus page and click on a delete focus, and you can make sure that it never gets activated ever again. So yeah, that is another possibility. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up button to let me know about it as well. Subscribe so you don't miss the next quick tutorials and tips like this, and I'll talk to you soon.